A part of the syndication or investment capital process is working with securities regulations or exemptions. The most common exemption that we rely on is called Regulation D, and there's a few different categories underneath it. And part of the process is filing, they call it Form D, with the SEC and the various states. The Form D that's filed with the SEC kind of summarizes high level the controls, the promotions, and the use of certain proceeds with the investment. That has to be filed with the SEC within 15 days of the first investor. After that takes place, you are generally required to file Reg D notices, the Form Regulation D notice, with every state that an investor comes from within 15 days of the investment from that state. Now, every state does have individual requirements. Some states, such as Florida, don't require any filings. Other states require differing filing fees, some as low as $100. And there's sometimes, in particularly the state of New York, that the cost of filing fees can be north of $2,000. It's very important because these are technical rules that if you fail to file within the time frames required, you may lose your securities exemption and be subject by penalty by the SEC or from individual state securities regulators.